Sit down first. Sit down. Okay, look. Okay. Yeah, wait. Okay, look. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Hi, do you know me? Oh. Hi, what is your name? Oh, it is meat? Okay. Oh yeah? What is this? Who is this? Do you know? Yeah, who is this? Who is this? Do you know? Okay, wait, sit down. No, say no, no with me. Okay, sit down. No with me. Yeah, sit down. What happened? Tell me what's going on. Alexa, step on your fingers. Yeah, okay, wait. Sit down. Yeah, sit down. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you put your hand like this. Okay. Look, today we're going to play hand puppet. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yes. Hi. Okay, here. I have this too. This one. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. What is your name? Okay. Let's play hand puppet. Okay, here. Just. Okay. Wait a minute. Alexa, wait. Okay, choose what you like here. Here. This one. Which one? No, miss. Say no, miss. Okay, this one? No. Okay. This one? Yes? Oh, how about this one? I want this one, miss. This is dolphin. Okay. This is, I think this is, is this frog? What do you think? Elle, sit down like this, Elle, sit down like this. Excuse me. What? Oh. Okay. This one. Here, come. Whitney, move here, move. Yeah. Okay. Kiandra. Here, come. Okay, let's play here. Come on. Ta-da! Okay. Okay, Whitney, come. Here, come. Here. Okay, come here. Sit down here. Okay, move. Hi. Okay. May I borrow it, please? Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
How about this one? Wait. Oh, this one. Kiandra. Hi. Wait. Ask first. May I borrow, please? Ask if you want it. Yeah. May I borrow, please? What do you say? Thank you, miss. Okay. This one, Whitney, look. Hi. What is your name? I am Star. Say, I am Star. Say, I am Star. And I am Monkey. Hi. Would you like to play with me? Come on, let's play together. Okay, good. What are you doing? No. I need you not to play that. You play here with me. Go. Come here, come. Let's play hand puppets. I don't want you to. Yeah, today we don't play that one. You play hand puppets here. Okay, come. Yeah. Oops, move. Okay, here. Come on. Let's have a puppet show. Hello. What is your name? Whitney. How about you? What is your name? What about you? What is your name? No, this one. No, this one. Not this one. This is Whitney. What is your name? Kitty. Cat. Yeah. Hi, Kitty. Let's play. Oh, do you want to swim with me? Kitty, would you like to swim? No, why not? Hi, Star. Come. Move. Okay, wait. Hi, what is your name? Oh no, be nice to me. I want to be your friend. No, help. Help. The crocodile wants to help me. No, be careful, be gentle. Help. The crocodile wants to help me. Say, no, crocodile. Stop it, please. Say, no, be gentle. No, crocodile. Stop it, please. How about you? What is your name? Hi. No. Oh no fighting. It's not good. No fighting. It's not good. Yeah, let's play together. Oh, how about if we sing songs? happened?
Karena ini.
Oh, L, you hit me here. L. Hey, let's sing some songs. Come on. Here, come, play here. Here, you play here. No, you don't play there. Come on, come here. Come here. Get up here. Sit down here. Okay. Hi guys, let's sing a song. What song would you like to sing? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. What song? Come. Here. Okay, here. Hi. What are you doing? Yeah, you do like this. Yeah. Okay. Hi. What is your name?
T-Rex.
Crocodile. No, that's not T-Rex. This is crocodile. This is star. Say, I am star.
I
Hi. What is your name?
do like you.
Shark. I am shark.
Hi.
Hi. Would you like to play with me? Oh, look. I am hungry. Do you have some food for me? I am hungry because I haven't taken my lunch. And my mommy is gone. My mommy is going out. Do you have any food for me?
Okay.
Okay. What is it? Oh, thank you. Oh, is this food for me?
Yeah.
Do you have any bananas? Because I love bananas. Do you have any bananas?
Aku juga makan
Hey, Kitty, do you have bananas for me? Because I'm hungry.
banana.
Yeah, where is it? Do you have any bananas? Yummy, Kendra, are you sleeping? Kendra, I want more bananas. Do you have more bananas? Is it banana? I love bananas. Do you have any bananas? Do you have bananas? Hello, Dolphin, do you have bananas? I'm so hungry. I'm starving. I want to eat. This one? No, I'm so full. You get up. Why are you sleeping? Okay, now I want to drink. Do you have any juice? Some juice? Do you have some juice? What is it? What is this? Apple juice?
Yeah.
Or banana juice?
Yeah.
Or avocado juice?
Yeah.
So which one? What is that? Avocado? Avocado juice? Say avocado juice.
Cheese.
That's yummy.
Aku juga apa,